how to make an AI movie without a camera, actors, or budget. Today, Kai shows you every step.
Hey everyone, Kai here. Today I'm giving away a master prompt to help you create some insane content using Cinema Studio. We are using Higgsfield AI, a rapidly expanding Gen AI platform built for creators. Using its wide range of models and agents, we will specifically utilize Cinema Studio 2.5. This tool prioritizes frame quality, giving creators precise control before motion is applied. To begin the workflow, create a new project. Cinema Studio 2.5 is packed with features, including a powerful new update that allows you to generate consistent locations, characters, and motion within the video section. However, it can be quite a challenge to figure out exactly which tools to use and where to find them. To solve this, I've created a custom GPT specifically for this new version of Cinema Studio. We already have a GPT for the previous version, so if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out those videos as well. The new Soulcast feature is incredibly useful when you're generating your own custom characters. It allows you to define the genre, budget, era, identity, and even the physics of your character, along with other fine details. Just keep in mind that it may not perform as well if you're trying to clone well-known existing characters. We will utilize Nano Banana or Soulcast Cinema for known character generation. The GPT will automatically generate the necessary prompts for both tools. Now, let's jump into the workflow. By using the custom gem I've provided, you can simply input a story or upload a clip for analysis. The AI will then ask you a few quick questions to refine the vision. You can respond by choosing a numbered option or just copying your preferred choice. Once we've answered all the questions and sent them through, the AI will generate everything you need: characters, scenes, stories, and the exact prompts and settings for both images and video for Cinema Studio 2.5. The final results are impressive. The agent provides a comprehensive response that includes character details, data, and all the specific settings and prompts needed to generate them. It even covers the shot sequencing, including both start and end frames. For every individual frame, you'll get a unique video generation prompt and the exact technical settings required. The output is designed to be crystal clear, helping you understand the entire setup without any confusion. All that's left for you to do is import these settings directly into the Higgsfield Cinema Studio platform. Now, let's generate our characters. Simply copy all the data from the agent's response and paste it here. We'll replace each section and delete any extra text until only the final generation prompt remains. If you've been following the channel, you're likely familiar with this method. It's actually one of the easiest ways to import data into Higgsfield. As you can see, I'm just replacing the placeholder text with the specific settings for our characters. This method is incredibly simple, user-friendly, and requires almost no effort to get right. We configure the character by selecting the genre, budget, era, archetype, identity, race, and physical physics. Finalize the character's details and outfit, then clear the prompt section to prepare for the final generation. Input the final prompt and execute the character generation. The results using only text descriptions can be inconsistent when attempting to clone specific figures. To resolve this, I utilized Nano Banana Pro for the initial generation, established the necessary angles, and imported them as individual assets. For a deeper dive into this process, refer to my previous Cinema Studio tutorial. We will now proceed to location generation. The agent will provide the specific prompt for your location as well. Just copy and paste it here. It really couldn't be simpler. No extra effort is required. While you could use Nano Banana or other models to generate your environment, we'll stick with this one for now. If you're happy with the results, just click Save Location and we'll move on to the next stage. All the details are right here in the AI's response. Each scene has different shots, and each shot needs a start frame and an end frame. This means you will need 2 images for every shot. The prompts for these are already written out and easy to find. We'll simply copy all the prompts and paste them into Higgsfield. From there, we need to add the location to the prompt, replace the character placeholders, and set the emotions. Once you click Generate, your images are ready. Just make sure to replace all the character tags first. These are defined using the @ symbol, followed by the specific emotion. Each emotion has 3 intensity stages, ranging from 30% to 90%, which ensures your images look perfect and cinematic. The most important thing to keep in mind is that if you add or remove anything from the prompt, all your defined emotions will be lost, and you'll have to configure them again. To avoid this, first remove the character placeholders and replace them with the actual names you used in Higgsfield. Once the names are set, add your emotions and click Generate. That's all there is to it. Now that we've generated the 2 frames for our first shot, let's see how to transform them into a video. In Cinema Studio 2.5, we use a bridge-to-video workflow. You'll take your first image and set it as the start frame, which defines your initial composition and lighting. Then, you'll upload your second image as the end frame to lock in where the motion should finish. The AI will intelligently interpolate the movement between these 2 points, keeping your character and location consistent throughout the clip. If you're wondering where the video generation prompts came from, they are all included right inside the agent's response. Every detail you need is there: resolution, duration, genre, character emotions, camera movements, and even speed ramps. It's incredibly cool how the agent takes a simple story and provides everything necessary for production. There is one small catch. If you want to use specific character emotions, you currently cannot use an end frame. To work around this, I generated the video twice, once using the emotion and start frame, and a second time without the motion, but using both start and end frames. You can choose which result fits your vision best. The agent provides all the data for either path. Let's review the output. This first clip utilizes the start and end frame method. This configuration provides the model with 2 visual anchors, resulting in a highly controlled and deterministic camera path while maintaining maximum visual continuity across the shot. The next few clips use a start frame and emotions. If you have extra credits, you should try making the video both ways. By generating one version with 2 frames and another with emotions, you can simply pick the one that looks the best. All video assets were produced using the described workflow. The final production involved adding a background music track and performing minor cuts to refine the shot timing. This demonstrates the efficiency of the system. No additional complex steps were required to reach the final output. Higgsfield provides tiered discounting, typically offering up to 30% off annual plans. New users should look for promotional entry links that can unlock Newcomer discounts of 50% to 75%. For professional groups, Higgsfield now includes team and enterprise plans designed to scale credits and concurrent generations across multiple users, ensuring the platform fits every organizational need. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this workflow helps you take your creations to the next level. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your projects.